Welcome to the College of Humanities, Education and Social Sciences, or CHESS. We are home to the Department of Education, History, Political Science and Philosophy, Languages and Literatures, Mass Communications, Visual and Performing Arts, and Sociology and Criminal Justice. We encourage students to think abstractly and take new approaches to understanding society, human behavior, and how we interact with one another and our environment. We use a scientific method to study, observe, analyze, and share knowledge about the impacts of social interaction. From our amazing art gallery to our labs and studios, our students learn about the changing currents of the political realm, can mold a career around the diversely exciting world of the arts, or explore the social tapestry of individuals and groups. There are a variety of appealing majors in the College of Humanities, Education, and Social Sciences. The CHESS leadership team and faculty equip our students with the tools needed to exercise political and social responsibility at the local, state, national, and international levels, and our faculty take pride in being innovative, engaged, and student-centered. Our award-winning faculty and instructors have served as Fulbright scholars, have published in top-tier journals, advised student professional organizations, and so much more. Our programs prepare undergraduates for advanced studies in graduate and professional school, in various fields and careers in all levels of government, public administration, politics, law enforcement, education, media, arts, and the private sector. CHESS graduates enter to learn and go forth to serve, making our world better and being impactful global citizens.